welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this gold purpley sunset look, just keep off with priming my eyelids with the Colourpop No Filter concealer. Color I'll be using is in the Yes Please palette. It's this yellow one right here called French Kiss, and I'm gonna go in with my Luxie 229 tapered blending brush. Color I'll be using is this pinkish hot pink in the Dream Street palette. It's called Sweet Dreams. Yes Please palette, I just want to go into Champs. With my Luxie 213 eye shading brush and my Colourpop You Had Me at Hello palette, I'm going to go into this purple right here called FBO. Now with my Party Animal palette, I'm gonna get this purple shade right here called Hungover, and I'm just gonna pack that onto my lid. Alrighty, now I want to take off all this powder off my face. Alright, so now I want to put some setting spray on my face and go in with a wet sponge to take off all this like white excess powder, just to like kind of melt it into my face. So for my eyes, I want to go in with the same effect, except I'm not going to use that last purple, the shimmery purple. I'm only going to go in with the FBO from the Colourpop Cosmetics You Had Me at Hello palette, and I'm going to put that as close to my waterline as I can. After that, I'm going to go with the pink and then with the yellow. with this Luxie 111 flat angled brush, I'm gonna go in with pink and blend that out. Then the yellow. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with some concealer on my flat little concealer brush, and I'm just gonna cut out a little bit just to add some more sparkle to my eyelids. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna go into Spoiled, and then just put that where I cut my crease. For blush, I'm going into the Note Desert Rose. For highlighter, I'm going into the Ofra Cosmetics Naked Tutorials highlighter, the highlighter Afterglow. Alright, with this black sparkly eyeliner, I'm going to go into my waterline. Okay, now with my Girl Lactic orange lip gloss, I'm just going to go in. No lip liner, no lipstick, nothing, just for mascara, I'm going into the Lauralee Pro Lash Pomade. Alrighty guys, that is it for this look. Let me know what you guys think, and I also want to say thank you to everyone who is viewing out there. Thank you for your support, to my family, to my friends, and to my subscribers, because I know it's mostly my family and my friends. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.